I'm Margot Gerritsen, and I'm the director of the Institute for Computational and Mathematical Engineering here on Stanford campus. I have been a computational mathematician for a long time, for exactly the reasons I just mentioned for data science. Computational mathematics is a very broad field, data science is part of it, and I love it because it sits at this interface of mathematics and computing and applications. And I'm very application-driven myself. I'd like to work on models that make a difference out there in the engineering world, in the science world. So computational mathematics has always really appealed to me, and also it brings people together. You know, I constantly work with theoretical mathematicians, with computer engineers, with application specialists, and it is incredibly exciting to bring people together like that with different backgrounds and develop solutions together. Sometimes we say we're in 2015. We have, if you're optimistic, around 15% women participating in this field. 15 by 15, not so great. We'd like to make that 30 by 30. So we're starting a campaign called 30 by 30 to try to get 30% female participations at all levels, from the beginning engineer to the CEO, from the beginning student to full professor by 2030. We're trying to get companies and institutes to sign up, to commit to this goal. A lot of companies are now committed to diversity. In fact, there are many companies that are putting in a lot of money and putting in a lot of human resources to try to get more women and underrepresented minorities into their companies. Some of that, or maybe a lot of it right now, is driven by economic reasons. It's very hard for most companies to find all the data scientists that they would like to hire, and not tapping into 50% of the population is not a very smart thing to do then. And so it's driven by necessity as well as driven by an increasing awareness that a diverse team is better for everybody, and it leads to higher revenue, it leads to better solutions. And so a lot of companies are really committed to this now. What we're asking them is to commit on paper, online, and to really have an institutional commitment to this goal, that they share their best practices, which is not really done right now. Everybody is sort of reinventing the wheel. So we're setting up an online platform for this, that people can get together and publicly acknowledge that this is really important to them and that they will do whatever they can to get to 30 by 30. To all women out there interested in computational math or STEM fields, jump in. It's a fabulous field with lots of opportunity. Dive in, explore math and computing, take as many courses as you'd like, believe in growth, and enjoy it.